Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lovett. If this is your first time here, you're very much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I sew this beautiful corset you're seeing right now. This is actually the second part of the video. In the first part, I teach on how to draft it out on a pattern paper step by step. If you're here to see this, the link is in the description box. Check it out so you can understand how we'll get to this part. So in this second part of the video, I will show you how I moved it into fabric and now I sew it together perfectly. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up after watching. After cutting it out on my pattern paper, I placed each piece on the fabric and cut out the shape, and I added half inch to every necessary sides because that is what I needed to join it together. Please note that I did not add the allowance to all sides. And another thing is that I cut out all the pieces in two places. One is for my main front, which I use Mikado fabric, and the other one I use satin, which is going to serve as my lining. And on the main front, I iron a soft wadding, and for the lining, I use stay. So I iron stay on the lining and a soft wadding for the main front. So this is what I did here. And another thing is that before I remove my pattern paper, I make sure I notch this side, because after removing the pattern paper, the shape might be confusing. So to be able to know where to join together, so I give it a little bit notch. So I'm going to place it on each other like this, and I'm going to sew it down. And after I'm done, I'm going to place the upper parts, the third part. I'm going to place it ahead on top of it, and I'm going to join it. I'll do the same thing for the second piece as well, and this is what I have after I'm done with it. You can see how neat the cup is looking. So when you're making yours, it is just very simple. All you have to do is to be patient. So this is me trying to check if my cup is going to sit perfectly on the corset body. So this is what I'm trying to do here, and as you can see, it is perfect. So the next thing now is that I'm going to join my lining pieces together as well, and I will join it to my cup. So this is what I have, guys. After I'm done, I later decided to add a little bit of my lace fabric on it. So I just spread it on it and I pin it down, then I joined the upper part first. I top stitched on it, then that is just it. I top stitched on it and I turn it back, then I sew it down. So that is just what I did here, and my cup is already looking so beautiful. So I've joined together all the lining pieces as well. So this is it, and I'm going to sew this top edge. I'm going to join it at the top here, and the other sides as well. I'm going to join the sides at the top here as well. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to turn it over to the right side, and this is how it's going to look after I've joined it together. Then, and I'll give it a good press, then I will start joining my cup to it from this place. Make sure you're careful with it when you're joining yours, step by step. Then I will stop at this place and my cup dead, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. And you can as well pin it down first before you start joining, so in order to make it easy for you to do and to make it look perfectly. So after joining mine, this is what I have. This is the back, and here is the front. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So we're almost done with the making of this corset. So you can see it is just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. I will just go ahead and finish all the and perfect all the rough edges, and that is it. We are done. So thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So this is the outcome. This is, you can see how perfectly it is looking. I top stitched on each side of the cup, and that is how perfectly it is looking. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.